What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house video. Special guest, my girlfriend, Madison Janak. Today, we are gonna change the oil pattern in the middle of the game. PBA bowler versus PWBA bowler, and we're gonna change the oil pattern every 3 frames. I don't think this is the right ball for right now. I think it hooks too early, but we've been working on some things. We've been practicing all the right things lately to work. First frame, I always go first. It is what it is. A little bit early. It was a good shot, though. Good shot. We can't focus on what was wrong. We can only focus on what was right. Got him. So the rules are in frames 3, 6, and 9, you can change the oil pattern and you'll have 1 minute to do it. We have a bottle of oil. We have a rag. So I could take some oil off. I could put some oil down. So I'll get a minute to change it for Madison. Madison will have a minute to change it for me. Hopefully you can mess the other person up, or you can make it better for yourself.
I can help myself?
Yeah, you could just wipe down outside of 5 and make a dry spot so you could just chuck it there. I'll be messing you up. I'm not coming for my oil.
Whoa. Would you normally hook at this or would you go straight at it?
I would throw straight at it. I would hook at it if they were easy. I've missed the pin in the back because I hooked at it though. Shooter.
My heel's like really sticky.
The lanes are really sticky. It's getting warm outside again, a little humid. Couple birthday parties. It's spring break, so the cleaning probably hasn't been A1. The good news is for you, once things go bad for me, they usually go really bad. I'm a maximum and minimum kind of guy. Oh yeah. I'm studying. I'm looking, studying where you're trying to play, thinking about dumping some oil on the lane. I don't know if putting oil on the lane would help or hurt you.
You're a bully.
I am not a bully. Hook! Good shot. I can't mess you up too bad because, you know, we got to win some points in the league tonight. So. Ah! High flush.
I didn't see it.
And I mean high flush. Going into frame 3, I will be in the lead.
I think I just gotta jump left.
They are sticky. Do you hook at this one? If I know what's going on, I'll probably hook at it. But if I'm a little lost, I'll hook at it anyway and blame the lanes and blame the lanes when I miss. I'll be like, man, I can't believe it didn't hook out there. So since I'm in first, I will go first, and that way I'll get to manipulate the lanes. I'll have 1 minute on the clock, able to manipulate the lanes however I want. And then Madison will get to either change what I did or kind of do her own thing and play some defense on me or offense for herself, so.
Ready? Set.
How come it already says 10 seconds on there?
Really? Go.
Yeet.
Stop.
I think I'm good. You saw me use the towel and the oil, but I put the oil on the lane and then I didn't try and press hard and like scrape the oil off. I just tried to like move it around, so I put oil just from like 15 and left. I just tried to put more oil in the lane, that way hopefully when she throws a good shot, it might push a little bit too far down lane. I didn't really try and mess him up too bad because I don't think she has an awesome look, so I could try to kind of just leave it a little bit, but we'll see what she does.
You said it a lot nicer.
I don't think you're throwing it bad. I just think you got a bad look. Ready, set, go. She's already started. Oh my God.
I was just walking. Pack, I got short legs. Oh, there's no oil down here.
25 seconds. Oh, easy on the oil. Oh God.
What?
3, 2, 1. How's it looking out there? Are they looking saucy?
The lane looks so much different when you're like on top of it. Well, I tried drying up down where he was throwing at the break point down lane to hopefully kind of mess him up with that because he's got a lot of room down there. And then I tried putting more oil towards the arrows to kind of make his ball go a little bit longer. Give it some over-under.
Listen, ain't nothing stopping me. I'm gonna move 2 out the gate just cause. That wasn't my best effort, but Put your hands up in the chat if you guys want chalky milk on the miss here. Chalky milk on the miss. Still got plenty of room down there. I just threw a bad. I mean, there's some hook down there. Trust me, there's some hook down there. There wasn't that much hook earlier. I think if I throw it a little further left, I think we'll be all right. Are you moving?
I didn't really have it figured out before, so.
Should just throw the same shot and see what happens.
I have no idea.
That kid just hit the gritty, so if you don't hit the gritty on the way back, gritty.
I'm not grittying.
Strike, gritty.
Oh wait, it fell.
There's no way. Can we get a replay on this? There's no way. YouTube rules, if the machine says it, I guess it happened. It's all right, when I lose this match by 3, I'll know.
Oh my goodness.
Just gonna throw a better shot, send it out to like 5-6. Hey! That was close. That wasn't my best, but that was close. I think there's so much hook in the middle and down lane that instead of retaining some of that energy and making the corner, kind of just like dies out immediately. Gotta make the spare. Ay, ay, ay. Looking like Billy O on the split.
Oh, wow. That's really going to hurt.
What's the move here off the Brooklyn? Any?
I think I have to move further to the right than what I'm at right now.
I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking of going left. That's pretty good.
Got it.
Maybe that's my strategy. Fall behind by a little bit and then really mess the lanes up. Just gonna take a squeegee down there on the right side of the lane. Make a better shot here. That one fell, by the way, for sure. That one guaranteed fell.
Don't be mad at me. I'm not the one who put a strike up there.
I'm not saying anything about your strike, but
I'm not the one who put it up there. Whoa.
all right, go ahead, mess the lanes up. I'm gonna ruin the lanes for you.
That's fine. That's fine. If you want to play like that, that's fine.
Ready, set, go. Hey-oh.
Hopefully it's good enough.
Sweating. She's sweating.
Yeah. Hopefully you like it out there.
Now I debate with myself. Do I make them nice for myself or do I ruin the lanes? And I think there's only one clear answer, and that's to ruin the lanes. The viewers want the scores to be low. Didn't even bring it.
Stop.
If they don't hook at this point, I've made a serious mistake. My arms are tired. I'm out of breath. Time to shine. The move is to go 5 left, loft it over the front part of the arrows, roll it up the back to get it to hook in the middle of the lane.
It's way more well thought out.
The move is throw my shot and Zuab. Really try and lengthen the follow through here. Okay, the spare is a whiff. Okay, there's that much oil down lane. Usually you would try and get it to start up earlier, but I already know that there's no oil in the front of the lane. I'm saying she did the right thing. She hears me complain about what happens on tour every week and my struggles. She's like, oh, he struggles when there's no oil in the front and a ton of oil down lane. Guess what we're gonna do?
I'm helping you.
Helping me practice. I'm ready.
You're welcome.
You're welcome for whatever you're about to experience, okay? Sometimes on the women's tour, they don't put oil on the lanes. Here you go.
I can't even comment on it. I can't even
Sometimes the
comment.
machine breaks. Guess what? It broke. Just when they think we forgot about that machine, it broke. Oh, yeah. Oh,
I can take that.
yeah. So what? You got a 20-pin lead.
Yeah.
Good spare. Good spare. I feel like I was close last time, so I'm just gonna go a little further left. Simple 2-in-1, shut the angle down a little bit. Keep the loft, keep the rotation. I've been practicing. I'm ready. They are toasty. What am I gonna do next time? Sauce that spot right back up.
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep you guessing.
Patrick, that's all I do is guess. That's all I do.
That's all bowling is,
You're not really introducing me to anything new. Like, I'm giving you the opportunity to grow as a bowler. You're not really giving me much here.
What? Shmoney. I thought you made that.
You don't have to be rude.
I said money. I thought you made that. You would consider me up by 1? I would also consider this being up by 1 because if we both strike out, up 1.
Starting order 3-4.
A little strategy change with the spare ball. I'm a fan. A makeable spare. Shooter. Tacky, tacky, tacky.
Yeah, like I could feel my heel.
Stop it. Like,
Pop,
is it
pop,
like
pop, pop, pop.
stuttering?
Yeah.
I hate that. 9th frame. I get to go first. I kind of want to leave it, but I'll put some oil back on the lane. I won't need a minute. I won't need a minute. It's gonna be 30 seconds. Sweating my cheeks off. Need a breather.
Are you ready, big dog?
I'm ready, big dog. 10th frame coming up. I honestly, unfortunately, I didn't watch too much, so I don't know. I know that there's less oil on the lane. Strike to claim it. I'm gonna go 7 right. What a lucky strike. That looked weird. All right, I still need some pins though. Oh, it wasn't a strike claims it. I can't do math. It's a double claims it. I thought that was comparable to my first one. That's bad too, because now it's not like I got 9. 9 spare would have put me with no chance of losing. Double and 6 for the title.
I'm mad. I'm done.
I'm pissed. I didn't think either of these games would be as high scoring as they have been. Thank you guys for watching and sticking around all the way to the end where we got to change the oil pattern actually during the game. Obviously, a lot of you guys won't have this ability at your bowling alley, but we might do this a little more often. Something fun, switching it up on the channel. Let us know down below in the comments if you guys liked it. And until the next one, thanks again for sticking around all the way to the end. We appreciate it. See you on the next one. Peace. Bye.